How to set up Gmail SMTP server. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on your profile on top right corner of your screen in Gmail. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on your Google account. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you'll find security. Click on security and make sure your two-step verification is turned on. Without turning verification on, you'll not able to do this. Simply after that, go to search bar and search app password to create a new. Simply add app name, which is SMTP, and then click on create and it will be created. After that, you can use this server with password. And this is how to set up Gmail SMTP server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.